Welcome to Beechwood Cottage. I'm going to give you a quick video that explains the operation of our Roku equipped TV, how to use the remote control, and how to access the channels for watching TV. It's pretty simple, but I'll show you the steps. We'll turn on the TV using this remote control. Should be the only one up there by the TV, and the power button is right here at the top. You see TV came on right away.
Because if you read his New York Times,
and we'll navigate through the channels. This is the home screen of the TV, and from here you have a lot of different streaming entertainment options. If you want to watch a quick introductory video, it's the top left corner there. It says intro video, but really this one should help you out. The channel changing controls are right on here, and the volume and mute are on the side of the remote control. The second option you see there is antenna TV. That's the over-the-air television stations, ABC, NBC, Fox, and so forth. They're connected to an outside antenna. But you have a lot of streaming options as well. You navigate to all of these channels using the purple part of the remote control. So this is where you would make your changes. I have it on mute right now, but if I wanted to select any of the channels, I use this cross to move back and forth in the selection, and then when I get to the one that I want, I will select OK, and then that will come on the screen. I've switched it to the regular ABC television, and so here we've got channel. To change the channels, you just use the up and down on this arrow. So this takes the channels higher, this one takes the channels lower. Tells you what's on and gets the TV there on the channel. So I'm just going to flip through a couple of them here. Pretty simple. If at any time you want to get back to all of the streaming options, you just use this button here, the home screen, which takes you to the home screen of the TV. Then from within this menu, you use that same purple section of the remote to scroll between the available options. If you have Amazon Prime streaming, you can use your account to stream there. This one has free movies and TV, and so on. There's sports apps, there are some PBS, news, some cable channels, and various things you might enjoy. If you have Hulu, Netflix, or Amazon Prime, you can log into your account and stream your favorite streaming shows and movies from there. ESPN comes on automatically. There's some old movie ones on here, and news apps. Same thing with HBO Now. If you have a membership, you can use yours. That's an option for you. So there are a lot of different choices here. But if at any time you want to get back to regular TV, you want to come here to this one that says Antenna TV. And I'm just using the purple section of the remote to do that. And when you're all done, you can turn the TV off with the power button right there, and then the other buttons, last channel viewed, sleep, some settings, and so on. But the main ones you'll want is to change the channels when watching regular TV. You use this up and down arrow, and to go back to the home screen, it's the home one. Should be kind of simple once you get the hang of it, but we thought maybe a bunch of folks may not have had this type of TV in the past, so we wanted you to be able to get the full use of it.